It is centered on you.
How's it going, everybody? We are on our way to Target. I gotta turn right real quick. We're on our way to Target because if you guys have been listening to the news, we're about to get dicked on by Hurricane Irma. And we are in Orlando, so we're picking up some, I'm picking up some last minute things, a little more canned food, rechargeable battery thing to keep my shit charged. And really happy I didn't bring my car because it's supposed to be a category 4 by the time it hits Miami, but I'm pretty sure by the time it hits us here in Orlando, we're 5 hours away, so I think it'll probably be a 2 to 3 at most. But it's still, you know, pretty serious. So we're on our way to Target right now to get some stuff, and I'll show you guys how empty Target is right now because, or the shelves are, because they should all be pretty wiped out. Everything is gone. So much stuff. What used to be the bread aisle. It's crazy.
Hey, it's my friend Reed.
Every time I notice the camera turning, it's like, oh.
It's recording right now.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Hello.
It's my roommate Reed, right there.
Hello.
Our room over there. I already showed you guys. But yeah, I'm back home now. Back from Target. And everything was gone. I'll show you guys a little supply because we are sticking it out. There we go. Water, and then we each have a case in our rooms. Thank you, Reed. But yeah, we're gonna stick it out, and I'll try and record as much as I can. I'm gonna keep all my shit charged. Hopefully the power doesn't go out, but I will try and record the whole storm. I'll upload it, and we'll go from there. So I think it's supposed to hit us Sunday night, Monday morning. It's Friday night right now. So wish us luck. Yeah. That's it. Deuces.